welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today I will guide you through drawing a girl sitting with a mirror. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First, sketch the basic shapes. Begin by drawing an oval for the head and a vertical line down the center to help with symmetry. Next, sketch an oval for the upper body and a larger oval for the lower body where she is sitting. Now draw the legs. Sketch two lines extending from the lower body oval, bending them at the knees to create a seated position. Add ovals at the ends for the feet. Next, draw the arms. Sketch two lines extending from the upper body, positioning one arm towards the mirror. Draw circles at the ends for the hands. Now let's draw the mirror. Sketch a large oval or rectangle in front of the girl, slightly tilted to show how she is holding it. Start adding details to the girl, outline the head, adding the hair, sketch the face, positioning the eye, nose and mouth along the guidelines, draw the neck connecting the head to the body as you wish. Next refine the body shape, add clothing details like a dress or shorts and pants. Draw the fingers on the hands, making one hand hold the mirror. Add details to the mirror such as the frame and any decoration you would like. Now let's clean up your drawing. Go over the final lines with a pen or darker pencil, erasing any unnecessary guidelines. Lastly, add shading the texture to give your drawing depth. Shade the hair, clothes, and the mirror to create a realistic look. And there you have it, a lovely drawing of a girl sitting with a mirror. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more drawing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing. Until next time, keep watching and keep creating.